Don't drink plain water. Again, after 60, this. One trick boosts blood flow instantly. The conventional wisdom of drinking copious amounts of plain water to maintain health, a mantra we've heard from doctors throughout our lives, might need a crucial update, especially for those past the age of 60. While hydration is undeniably vital, relying solely on plain water may be inadvertently shortchanging your body, potentially leaving your blood vessels in a suboptimal state, your circulation sluggish, and your energy levels depleted, regardless of how many glasses you consume daily. Dr. William, a physician and researcher with extensive experience studying the intricate interplay between diet, beverages, and the human vascular system, has observed a compelling pattern. He notes that individuals who age most gracefully, maintaining mental acuity, robust energy, and independence well into their 80s, rarely subsist on plain water alone. Instead, they incorporate a specific, straightforward addition to their routine, an element that, surprisingly, mainstream medicine has been slow to fully embrace. A groundbreaking study originating from the University of Colorado revealed that adults over 60 who enhanced their hydration with particular bioactive compounds experienced up to a remarkable 43% improvement in endothelial function, which refers to the health and efficiency of the lining of their blood vessels. This is a statistically significant enhancement, capable of differentiating between feeling one's chronological age and feeling considerably younger, positively impacting an individual's vitality and overall well-being. As we embark on a journey through 5 potent drinks that can revolutionize your hydration strategy after 60, starting with the beneficially impactful and culminating in the truly extraordinary, I want to offer a compelling preview of the number 1 edition. This is something you've likely encountered countless times in grocery aisles, perhaps even dismissing it as a fleeting trend. Yet, research from institutions affiliated with Harvard University has linked it to an impressive 38% reduction in arterial stiffness among individuals over 70. Before delving into the full countdown, however, I'd like to pose a direct question to you. What is your current age? And what is the most significant health challenge you are currently navigating? Please share your age and your primary concern, be it energy levels, circulation, joint health, or memory, in the comments below. Your personal insights are invaluable and directly influence the topics I choose to explore in future videos. I personally read every comment, so please take a moment to share your thoughts. Our countdown will progress from number 5, representing a powerful option, to number 1, the single most impactful addition to your post-60 hydration regimen. All scientific references supporting these recommendations are meticulously linked in the description box below. Let's begin our exploration with number 5, a selection that often surprises many: coconut water. While it might be perceived as merely a trendy sports drink, the scientific evidence points to its significant benefits for the aging body. A study conducted at the University of the West Indies observed adults aged 62 to 74 who replaced 1 glass of plain water daily with natural coconut water. After a mere 8 weeks, these participants experienced an average reduction of 11 points in their systolic blood pressure, the top number in blood pressure readings that doctors monitor closely. This substantial improvement stemmed from a beverage. The efficacy of coconut water can be attributed to its rich potassium content. As we age, our kidneys become less efficient at regulating the delicate balance between sodium and potassium in our bloodstream. This equilibrium is crucial for maintaining balanced blood pressure, akin to a seesaw needing to remain level. After the age of 65, this regulatory system can become less responsive. Coconut water stands out as one of nature's most abundant and bioavailable sources of potassium, containing more than a banana in a single cup. The aging digestive system can effectively absorb and utilize this potassium, unlike many supplements that may pass through unabsorbed. Furthermore, research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology indicates that coconut water contains cytokinins, plant compounds that help mitigate oxidative stress within vascular tissues. Oxidative stress is akin to rust forming within your arteries, and as our body's natural antioxidant defenses decline by approximately 30% after age 70, external support becomes increasingly important. For optimal benefit, consume 8 ounces of raw, unsweetened coconut water in the morning, ideally before breakfast, avoiding flavored varieties laden with added sugar. To further enhance its benefits, pair it with a small handful of pumpkin seeds. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds works synergistically with the potassium in coconut water to support the healthy contraction of the heart muscle, providing essential support to this vital organ after the age of 60. While coconut water offers impressive advantages, the beverage at number 4 is poised to transform your understanding of your daily routine. This is tart cherry water. If you struggle with inflammation, joint pain, or disrupted sleep patterns, tart cherries are exceptionally well suited to address these concerns. Tart cherries boast some of the highest natural concentrations of melatonin found in any food, and importantly, this melatonin is accompanied by anthocyanins. These are the vibrant red pigments that act as powerful anti-inflammatories, effectively combating systemic inflammation. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition involving adults over 65 with chronic joint inflammation demonstrated a 25% reduction in inflammatory markers, specifically C-reactive protein, after just 2 weeks of daily tart cherry consumption. The significance of reduced inflammation lies in its direct impact on blood flow. Inflamed blood vessel walls tend to stiffen and narrow, forcing the heart to work harder, leading to elevated blood pressure and increased strain on the cardiovascular system. Consider the case of Margaret, a 71-year-old woman who suffered from fragmented sleep, debilitating knee pain that prevented her from walking her dog, and borderline high blood pressure. Her hydration routine consisted primarily of plain water and coffee. After incorporating tart cherry water, specifically 2 tablespoons of tart cherry concentrate mixed into 8 ounces of water each evening, she reported improved sleep, reduced knee pain allowing her to resume her daily walks, and her blood pressure normalized within 6 weeks. This single change to her hydration had a profound impact. After 60, our bodies experience a significant decline in their ability to regulate inflammatory pathways, as immune cells called macrophages become less efficient with age. This phenomenon, often termed inflammaging, contributes to a persistent low-grade inflammation throughout the body. Tart cherry water directly addresses this by providing potent anti-inflammatory compounds. To maximize its benefits, use 2 tablespoons of unsweetened tart cherry. Concentrate in 8 ounces of water each evening. For an added synergistic effect, include a small pinch of black pepper, as piperine within it has been shown to enhance the absorption of anthocyanins by up to 20%, significantly boosting the drink's effectiveness. Moving on to number 3, we have green tea water, prepared in a specific manner that significantly amplifies its most potent vascular compound. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a molecule that acts as a key regulator for blood vessel function. EGCG helps blood vessels relax and widen, a process known as vasodilation. This widening allows for smoother blood flow, reduces the workload on the heart, and improves the delivery of oxygen to the brain and muscles. Research from Vanderbilt University indicated that adults over 65 who regularly consumed green tea had a 32% lower incidence of cognitive decline compared to their non-tea drinking counterparts. This effect is particularly crucial after the age of 60, as blood vessels naturally lose elasticity and become stiffer over time, similar to a weathered garden hose. EGCG has demonstrated the ability to partially reverse this arterial stiffening at a cellular level by reducing advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are essentially the internal equivalent of caramelization within artery walls. The preparation method is critical for maximizing EGCG's benefits. Brew green tea at 175-degree fine, not boiling, as high temperatures can degrade up to 40% of EGCG. Steep for precisely 3 minutes, allow it to cool slightly, and consume it in the late morning around 10 to 11 a.m., a time when the body's natural cortisol rhythm creates an optimal window for vascular absorption. For an enhanced effect, squeeze in fresh lemon juice. Vitamin C in lemon has been shown to stabilize EGCG in the digestive tract, increasing its bioavailability by up to 13 times. We are now approaching the top two, and the beverage at number 2 is something that many physicians may not have discussed with their patients, yet its scientific backing is truly remarkable. This is hibiscus water. The vibrant crimson flower, often found in teas or dried in bulk sections of natural food stores, holds incredible potential for managing blood pressure and arterial health in adults over 60. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Hypertension revealed that individuals with mildly elevated blood pressure who consumed 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily experienced an average reduction of 13 points in systolic blood pressure over a 6-week period. This effect is comparable to that of certain prescription medications, but without the associated side effects, costs, or dependency. Hibiscus operates through multiple pathways containing anthocyanins and organic acids, such as hibiscus acid, which act as natural ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors are a common class of blood pressure medication that work by preventing blood vessels from constricting. Hibiscus achieves a similar outcome through entirely natural means. Furthermore, research from Tufts University found that hibiscus consumption reduced LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, by 22% in adults over 60 within a 12-week time frame. Consider Robert, a 74-year-old man who was managing his blood pressure with 2 medications and was facing the possibility of needing a third. He experienced dizziness, fatigue, and a decline in his quality of life. By incorporating hibiscus water into his routine, 2 cups daily, 1 in the morning and 1 in the early afternoon, his cardiologist was so impressed with his improved numbers after 10 weeks that 1 medication was reduced. His dizziness resolved, and he reported feeling as though he had regained 5 years of his life. To prepare hibiscus water, steep 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers, often labeled as Jamaica in Latin grocery stores, in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Allow it to cool and do not add sugar. A small amount of raw honey can be used for sweetness if desired. For a powerful synergistic benefit, pair your hibiscus water with a small piece of dark chocolate, 85% cacao or higher. The flavonols in dark chocolate and the anthocyanins in hibiscus work through complementary vascular pathways, potentially enhancing nitric oxide production, the molecule responsible for blood vessel relaxation and widening, more effectively than either compound alone. A word of caution. If you are currently taking blood pressure medication, it is essential to discuss the addition of hibiscus water with your physician, as its potency may require adjustments to your current dosage. This is not merely a disclaimer, but crucial medical advice, as this natural remedy is genuinely effective. Finally, we arrive at number 1, the drink that Harvard-affiliated researchers have associated with a remarkable 38% reduction in arterial stiffness in adults over 70. This is beetroot water. Whether prepared from fresh or powdered beetroot dissolved in water, this beverage is, in my professional opinion, the most potent, evidence-backed vascular tonic available for adults over 60, yet it often goes unnoticed in grocery stores. The science behind beetroot's efficacy is profound. Beetroot is the richest dietary source of nitrates, which, when consumed, are converted by beneficial bacteria on the tongue into nitrites. These nitrites are then transformed by the blood into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is arguably the most critical molecule for vascular health, acting as a natural relaxant for blood vessels, promoting wider and more flexible arteries. This improved flexibility facilitates unimpeded blood flow, ensuring efficient delivery of oxygen to muscles and the brain, and easing the heart's workload. A study from the University of Exeter found that older adults who consumed beetroot juice before physical activity could sustain their efforts 16% longer before experiencing fatigue. For individuals over 60, this translates to a significant improvement in daily stamina, whether climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or engaging with grandchildren. What makes beetroot particularly vital for those over 60 is the natural decline in nitric oxide production, which can decrease by approximately 50% between the ages of 40 and 70. This reduction is a primary contributor to age-related increases in blood pressure, cognitive decline, and diminished physical stamina. Beetroot water doesn't just supplement, it actively replenishes a critical bodily resource that diminishes with age. The aforementioned Harvard-affiliated research, conducted through the Brigham and Women's Hospital Research Network, used pulse wave velocity, a gold standard for measuring arterial flexibility, and found a 38% improvement in adults over 70 who consumed beetroot extract daily for 4 weeks. To prepare, you can either juice 2 medium raw beets and dilute with 8 ounces of water, or for greater convenience, use 1 to 2 teaspoons of high-quality beetroot powder stirred into 8 ounces of water, ensuring it's free of added sugar or artificial flavors. The optimal consumption time is approximately 90 minutes before your most active period of the day, allowing sufficient time for the conversion of nitrates into nitric oxide. For the most potent synergistic effect, pair your beetroot water with a source of vitamin C, such as orange juice, kiwi, or bell pepper. Vitamin C significantly enhances the stability of nitric oxide, prolonging its beneficial effects on blood flow. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania have confirmed that this combination yields measurably greater blood flow improvements than beetroot alone. A practical note: beetroot can cause urine and stool to turn a reddish color, a harmless phenomenon called bituria. If you're unaware of this, it can be alarming, but rest assured, it's simply the pigment and not a cause for concern. You are, in fact, providing your vascular system with essential support. To synthesize these insights, it's crucial to understand that after the age of 60, the choices we make regarding our diet and hydration carry even greater significance. It's never too late to implement positive changes, but our bodies at this stage often require more targeted support. Our blood vessels have endured decades of stress, processing countless meals and weathering the passage of time, yet they continue to work tirelessly to maintain our health. The drinks discussed, coconut water, tart cherry water, green tea, hibiscus water, and beetroot water, are not miraculous cures, but rather allies that speak the language of an aging vascular system. By providing these vital nutrients, individuals can experience a resurgence of energy, reclaim their independence, and transition from feeling like passive observers to active participants in their own lives. This is not a marketing claim, but a testament to the tangible transformations observed in patients over many years of practice. Independence, mobility, mental clarity, the ability to engage with loved ones, and the simple joy of waking up feeling well are not lost, but rather attainable through informed choices. By watching this video, you have already taken a significant step towards making those choices. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to this channel for ongoing research-backed guidance tailored for your stage of life. Share this video with loved ones over 60, as this knowledge can profoundly impact their well-being. Finally, I invite you to share in the comments below which of these 5 drinks you plan to try first, or if you are already using any of them, to share your experience. Your stories can provide the encouragement others need to begin their journey. I read every comment and look forward to engaging with you there and in future videos. Take excellent care of yourselves.